Assalamualaikum. I'm Shammudeep Dotto from HEXA'S batch HZ2424. I have got 7 in my IELTS exam and I have sat on the exam on June 13th. And if I say about my individual score, I got 8.5 in listening, 7.5 in reading, and 6.5 in speaking, and in writing I got 6. My instructors were Tasfiya ma'am and Rafi sir. They were both very cordial and humble to us, and they helped us a lot. There were some times when I faced trouble for some speaking, and I had to communicate with my instructors, and they helped me a lot. And I should especially thank Tasfiya ma'am for her efforts toward me, and thanks again to HEXA'S Zindabazar. It was a great experience for me, and I learned a lot that would be helpful for me in the future. Thanks to Zindabazar HEXA'S again.